for the day. Red fish here. Wait. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Let's play this game.
What is the game, ba?
That's the Kaganina 194. How about I like this? I like that. Ngayon lang yan eh. Sabi natin iba, ngayon lang yan. New lang yan. Sabi daw. Ako, hindi ko nakita to dati.
Whoa. I'm so loud with food. Bro, is that milk?
I don't like that rice.
Rice? New rhyme. Rice. Tasty. Oh, tasty.
Uy, ito yung kanin. Hinahanap ko. Hala, I need hamburger.
No. Next time, dapat healthy yan. Healthy food, ha? Deal? Wow.
Sumuusog pa ganun. Ay, so loud. Oh, uy, na-inlock ko na to. Oh, pati ito na-inlock ko na. Ito, hindi pa.
Yes, hindi pa.
Gusto ko ito eh. Gusto ko yun eh. Ito. Banana. Say hi. I like.
Bro, ano yan? Look at.
Ikaw, cereal yun eh.
That's how many people you watch?
Yes. Nanonood yan sila sa YouTube. Napapanood ko din sila sa YouTube, mga iba.
You have 3 million. Really, bro? Ha? Yummy. Ito banana. Thank you.
Lapit na doon.
What it is called? Milk.
No, may ads yan. Just play another game. How about this?
Tip-top challenge.
This one.
Ito yung tip-top challenge.
How about this?
Ba't nga?
Your favorite game.
Favorite.
You didn't know? Si Akashi hindi ko pinagbigyan kasi ayaw ko lang yung game. What to game? I don't like. I'm kidding. Next. Yeah, but No!
Bro, I eat us.
I eat muta.
Black hole. Okay, black hole is more cool then. Ayoko ng bunny. Kita ko
Ay,
black
syempre, lock naman yan eh. Gusto ko naman din bunny.
Ayoko.
Ano? Kapag gusto mo yan, bunny ka. Uy, parang cut ka na eh. Taas yung mo. Uy, nakastayo. Oh, nakastayo. Puta ka yan. Joke lang. Wait!
Royal Match again?
You need to know that
The
game.
TikTok.
It's just the same, bro. Ooh, I cannot get
Same,
that.
baka ikaw ang same. Oh. It. Oh, poste.
Posted. Wag na yan.
Ang daming abs. But,
How about this? The first black. There's no black hole there. I eat for hours. You eat McDonald's. You're McDonald's game.
bakit kasi lagi nakabukas wifi mo? Right? Right?
This is my favorite game.
Ako magagawa ko.
Ako. Sige na nga, ikaw na nga.
Okay?
Dapat maano naman lahat ng tao. Uy, makukuha ka dyan. Maano ka dyan eh. Kapag nakuha ka niyan, ligot ka. Ano ka dyan. Ay, makukuha ka. Ano makukuha ka yan?
No.
hours.
I eat
Siling
for-
Adam.
Yung excited na malunod.
Wala, harang mo yan. Harang mo yun eh.
Sana yun, nasana.
Si Enay. Ooh. Sabay tayo nag
Ate,
Yan eh.
wala na. Nawalang bakal buto. Wala ko pa kainin. Okay. Poste. Oh. Natatambay kayo ha. Yan, deserve.
Uy, naka-aircon kami, tapos nakaganyan ka. Hala, may timer! Tapos ako naman susunod. Tapos ikaw naman last. Okay?
This is Bruno.
Tama na.
Bruno is a slime pet.
Sige, pag mag-assignment ka yan, ikaw kain na. Bren.
Nanay.
Okay. Tomorrow ulit. Ay, wait lang, papakita ko sa'yo mag-edit. Wait lang. Bye-bye guys for today. That's, bye-bye. Ay, ano, pakita ko na sa'yo.